Hi, allow me to introduce to you today the new feature of SuperForm conditional questions. So this is a board for IT ticketing or IT request. Every request can be filtered by a type. It can be software, hardware, or license. If it's a hardware, then we have these options. If it's a software, then we have these options. For the hardware, we have due date. For the software, we have renewal date. And we also have a sub items for software. Okay, so with versions and let's say comment. Okay, so what can we do with Superform starting today? If you go to Superform, every single column can be conditional appeared. For example, the way it starts, it's like this. We are going to select a conditional question and say hardware will be visible only if type equals to hardware. Another way, sub-items will be visible only if software will be equal to, let's say, if type will be equal to software. And software also will be visible only if type equals to software. So let's make a quick review. If we select hardware, then we have hardware. If we select software, then we have both software and sub-item. Now, we can also have a further question. Let's say renewal date will be visible only if software equals to 365. In the sub-items, we can also make some conditional question. Let's say if version equals to 1, then text will be visible, and if version will be visible to 2, then update will be visible. So let's have a quick thing. So let's say software. And once we select software and sub-item, let's select 365, we have renewal date. And let's go to the sub-item. Let's say version 1. So we can also select the owner, obviously, with SuperForm. Say version 1, we have comment. And let's add another sub-item. Let's call it version 2. And for that, we have update. Let's say update comment. So now I will submit. And I will check at my board. I will see software 365, this renewal date, and also I can see version 1, version 2. In version 2, we have an update here. In version 1, we have the comment here. Now SuperForm has also, as you know, update form. We can do the same thing for update. The only thing which is different in update form is that we can also make some columns visible only. So let's make name visible only and also sub-item visible only. And let's allow to change the software renewal date. Again, if we select software will be available only if type is software. And renewal date will be available only if software equals to 365. So now let's click on preview and select our item. As you can see, name and sub-item are visible only. And now we have software, we have 365, and we can update the renewal date to be April 1st. Let's go back to the board. We see April 1st. So, conditional questions with SuperForm. Enjoy it.